Crispy chicken sandwich. The tricks to making the crispiest chicken sandwich you'll ever eat. Sometimes, the little crispy bits left on the plate after you eat the sandwich are the best part of the meal, right? Okay, first grab a rolling pin and flatten the chicken breasts to about half an inch thick. This does two things: it makes the chicken cook evenly and it breaks down the membrane and allows the marinade to get in all the good nooks and crannies and do its magic. Slice the flattened chicken breasts in half. There will be enough meat in each chicken breast for 2 sandwiches. I use spicy pickle juice on it for flavor. The vinegar in the pickle juice will combine with the buttermilk to break down the meat and infuse the chicken breasts with flavor. Marinate the chicken breasts for at least 3 hours. When you're ready to heat the oil up, take the chicken breasts out of the fridge. Marinate chicken in the fridge until time to dredge and fry. For a crispy chicken sandwich, a tangy honey mustard type sauce is the perfect complement. The batter is how we make this sandwich insanely crispy. Like most fried chicken, I like to dredge the meat in both wet and dry ingredients. The wet and the dry ingredients will kind of layer up on one another and combine and, when fried, becomes crispy. The trick to it is to mix up all of the dry ingredients in one bowl and the wet in another. Before you dredge the meat, take a cup or so of the wet ingredients and mix them in with the dry. This will create some gooey bits of flavor that will increase the volume of the batter that sticks to the chicken breast, and it will result in the crispiest chicken you have ever had. Most of the ingredients in the dry part of the batter you'd expect: flour, garlic powder, brown mustard, onion powder, baking powder, and paprika. This will offset some of the tanginess that is in the marinade and the special sauce. Tip: using cornstarch in the batter will help the batter stick to the chicken. Grab yourself some tongs or a fork and get the first chicken breast right out of the marinade, shake it off a little bit, and lay it in the dry ingredients. One more time in the dry ingredients, and by now you should have a thick, shaggy kind of batter coating the entire chicken breast. The crispiest chicken sandwich you ever had, topped with pickles and on a buttered, toasted bun, that's what. Top the chicken with pickles, and toast the buttered bun in a hot cast iron skillet. Spread some special sauce on the top and bottom half of the bun. And then, enjoy to eat your healthy sandwich. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click like on all of your favorite videos.